Let's dive into the technicals and projects of the top 20 coins that Prophet Benard listed in his book that every trader could get or can get or should get, however you put it. This is educational purpose only. So I'll start from bottom. So coin number 20 is Dodge. Coin number 19 is Bitcoin Cash. Coin number 18 is Curve DAO token. Coin number 17 is Celsius Network. Coin number 16 is Aave. Coin number 15 is Holo Chain. Coin number 14 is Harmony. Coin number 13 is Compound. Coin number 12 is Cardano. Coin number 11 is Litecoin. Coin number 10 is Synthetic Network Token. Coin number 9 is Chainlink. Coin number 8 is BitTorrent. Coin number 7 is VChain. Coin number 6 is Polkadot. Coin number 5 is Balancer. Coin number 4 is Baja DAO. Coin number 3 is Ripple. Coin number 2 is Binance Coin BNB. Coin number 1 is Ethereum. So we are looking into the projects and technicals of these particular coins as called by or listed by Prophet Benard. And make sure you join my Telegram. A lot of people are testifying there. Make sure you join for trading updates daily. Let's go. So out of the 20 coins that Prophet Benard has listed in his book, I'm bringing out 20 that I'm going to look into their technicals. Sorry, I'm bringing out 10 out of the 20 that I will look into their technicals, and then I'll just be, picking them at random, the 10 out of the 20, but you can look into the rest of the 10. So let me just show you the top of the list. I've already mentioned them. Ethereum is here. Binance BNB is here. I'm not looking into these two. I'm not looking into XRP. I've already did. Baja DAO is also here. I'm not looking into that. Balancer is here. I want to look into Balancer. So let's quickly go on Coin Market Cap. The price of Balancer is 71 cents. And the market capital is $48 million. Volume is $4 million in the past 24 hours. And the volume is down 28.58%. And it can only mean one thing. It means people are taking money out. Something like that, okay? Total supply is 70 million, almost 71 million Balancer tokens, and then the max supply is 96.15 or 96.15 Balancer. Right now, you can find the official website here, the white paper here. You can find every detailed information about the Balancer token in their white paper. Their social media handles are here. You can check out their Twitter, see the engagement on the contract address. This coin or this token has been built on the Ethereum chain, and their all-time low is 0.69. The all-time high is $74.77. So you could see the difference right now. It's almost hitting back to the all-time low, which is 0.69. I mean, it's still in that zone, man. It's still in that zone, Can this go further? Well, I cannot say because it's already going down, and I wish it's turning around. I don't have any, money in this coin, but then there are people who are also invested in this coin, so you cannot wish the negative on those people. All-time high is up here, low is down here, and it's still going low. That's the problem. It's still going low. It's still going very, very, very low. Very low. So that is it. If this coin is supposed to do anything, then it's supposed to do 50% of the initial move that it did earlier, and then probably do 100%. But I think it's not going to do. It's not doing anything just yet. Monitor the volume in the last 24 hours. If it's increasing, then you can decide to make a move on this coin. That's it. Balancer. Let's go to the next coin. Let's pick a random coin. Polkadot. I'm not going to do Polkadot. I'll do VChain. I think I've done VChain already, something like that. BitTorrent, Chainlink. Let's look at Link. Okay, let's look at Link. Link. So I've not looked into that coin, what the project is about. Yes, you guys, I already showed you, so you can look into that yourself. So Link is currently $13.45, number 14 on CoinMarketCap, and 1 million plus people have added this coin to their watch list. 1 million plus people have added this coin to their watch list. You could see that here. It means a lot of people are watching this. If a lot of the population are watching a particular coin, know that people still got eye on the coin, and so it's a good thing. It might not be everybody who is invested in the coin who has added it to their watch list, but definitely there are potential people who might join on a position on the project, or the coin in the future. That's what it means basically. Plus the market capital is 9.36 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours is around $739,000. I think the volume should be matched, because I feel like this coin is big, the project is big, a lot of people are keeping an eye on it, so the volume should be matched. One thing to check: max supply 1 billion Link. I think the supply is okay. The supply is very okay, but coins like this will not fall to nothing. So perhaps you should be looking out for these coins. The website here, white paper, this has been built on the Ethereum blockchain, and also all-time high, it went as high as $52, and then all-time low, it went as low as 0.12 cents. Now the price is 13.43. The price is quite low. You can still apply DCA strategy on this, and see what you could get in the future. That's the point. Now, what is this coin probably going to do in the future, like future price point wise? I think this coin is definitely going to turn around. If it turns around, we should be talking about $100 per coin. If it turns around, we should be talking about $100 per coin. But as to the time it's going to do that, I don't know. I don't know the time. For us to be fast, I'm not going to look into what's the about of the coin. Okay, I'll just look into the technicals and the statistics. You can do the about section on your own for us to move very fast, so I don't waste time on one thing. Now let's look at the next coin. We have Litecoin here, so let's look into Litecoin. I don't think I've looked into Litecoin on this channel before, so let's look into Litecoin. LTC. So that's it. Litecoin currently $93.92, number 18 ranking on CoinMarketCap. Almost 1 million people, 986,000 people are watching this coin, which is a good thing. I always tell you that it's a good thing if a lot of people are keeping an eye on the coin. You understand me? Because if not all the 986,000 are even investing into the coin, it has potential that by the days coming by, somebody will decide to put some money somewhere in the coin. Market capital is so okay, 7 billion. Volume 629 million. Good, 629 million. 9 million. Okay, that's fine. Then I think maybe I made a mistake with the volume with regards to Link. Okay, with regards to Link, it's 629 million. Okay, so holders, 104,000 people are holding. I think that's almost 10% of the people who have added it to watch list. That's almost 10%, or even more than 10%, because here is 986, so that's more than 10%. Now, total supply is 84 million. Oh, that is so okay. That is so okay. And look, the price of Litecoin is very affordable as compared to its all-time highs here, and I'll explain that later on. Now, 84 million is okay. Let's look into You can find their official socials website. And this coin has been built on what blockchain is this one? I don't know if its own blockchain is that. What blockchain is this one? What blockchain? I don't know this blockchain by logo. I don't know. But let's look into the all-time low and all-time high first. Then I check that one out. All-time high is $412. All-time low is $1.11. Wow, that is the difference is very huge. You know, it means this coin when it was even listed, it was quite expensive. Yes, and I have a reason why I'm saying that by way of calculation. You know, because the all-time low is this. If all-time low is this, then the coin when it was listed was very expensive. Yeah, you see what I was saying? When the coin was listed, it was around $3 and something. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Now let's look at potential price points in the future. I think Litecoin is going to do twice the all-time high. If it start booming to the upside, it's going to do twice. So the twice of all-time high, we'll be talking about $800 thereabout. Yeah, $800 thereabout. Twice of the all-time high. And you see the magnitude of what these coins are able to do when the bull run kicks in. No, you see, sometimes you don't even depend on only one bull run, maybe consecutive bull runs when they kick in. It should also be dependent on the modifications that they do and the inventions that they bring on board with regards to their project and utility. You understand? That gives magnitude, it gives a lot of volume. But if they just relax and sit there, I mean, bull run will come and then you will just see some small moves, yeah, on these coins. You understand? So the community and then the projects, the creators should also put in more work. Now let's I wouldn't let this slide. Let me look into this which from a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. It was established by a former Google engineer named Charlie Lee in 2011. Litecoin was initially designed to address Lee's concern about Bitcoin's growing decentralization to focus on faster transactions with reduced cost. Yeah, so that is it right here. Now let's go back to our Litecoin. I already gave you everything. Let's look into Cardano. We already did compound. Should I look into this compound? Let's look into compound and see what this one also holds. Compound. So comp should give us, that's a ticker, should give us what we need. Okay, I think that's it right here. These are coins that are expensive though, because $32 in Africa is not small money though. That's a lot of money. So getting one compound, you need to pay $32 and 0.1 cents for that. So how many people are adding this coin to their watch list? It's 255,000 people. The price is $32. Number 137 on coin market cap. Market cap is $308 million. Volume is $20 million plus, and their max supply have not been reported. Total supply is 10 million comps. That is okay. Website is here, socials is there, built on the Ethereum blockchain, and the all-time low is 18. This coin was very expensive. All-time low is $18.33, and then the all-time high is $911. My God, what is happening? So this coin was launched here, very expensive, too expensive. That is if we are talking from the perspective of Africans. You'll be paying a lot for this coin. Now, the coin is falling flat. You see, coins like this, when they are about to pump, just one candle will bring them to like $100 or $200. That's the fact. One huge candle, like candles we see here, this candle like this. So, assuming we see this same candle, caliber of this same candle, erupting from this downside to the upside here, we'll see the price of compound at $200, $250, $300, and that can even happen just in a day, just in a day or a week. You get it. So that's it about compound. The all time, the price point. Sorry, I think doing 100% should be $800, and if anything beyond that, then we should be talking about $1,000, $2,400. Yes, but like I said with Litecoin, we should be seeing the creators doing a lot of work. That's what is going to be the game changer for these particular coins. Now let's look into Holo chain, hot Holo chain. So let's look into hot. Let's see what that holds. Hot Holo. I think this one is nice. I don't know if that is it. This one is Holo. The one I saw is Holo chain. But I think this coin will make sense. So irrespective, let's look into it. Whether by accident or by, doing the right thing, I don't know. Here is Holo chain. Holo. Okay, yeah, it's Holo. So that's it. That's what we have up there. So Holo, currently 382,000 people are watching this. 290, number 290 on coin market. Price is 0.00057. Market cap is around $100 million. Volume is $4.18 million. And then total supply is 177 billion Holo coins. And then it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. The all-time low is 0.0002, all-time high is 0.03. I think this coin is still having potential. If you are very observant, you will see that I show huge interest in coins that are very small in price and having a very good project, and the technicals make sense and they have some nice volume. That's my criteria. Anything apart from that, I don't care. You understand me? Because see, price matters. You get it, and then you having money matters. Your motion or your liquid matters. That's the only thing that you can use to invest. You understand? So if you have like $100 to invest or $1,000 to invest, and you are chasing after coins that are priced like $50, $80, $100, and your investment wouldn't make any substantial sense. It wouldn't make any, you get what I mean to say. So that's it. Now let's look at the price point for this coin. I think this coin, when the bull run hits it, you see the initial analysis I did on the previous coin. Just one candle can change things. You see this candle here, very huge candle. And so when the momentum kicks in on these coins, you just expect 2 candles, 3 candles to be making you crazy amount of money. That's the truth. Because when the price was lying flat, I call something accumulation. It was just gathering momentum. You understand? Accumulation to make a move. So that is it with Holo. Let's look at the next coin. I would like to look into this coin, Aave. I don't know how many coins I've done, but I believe I've done more than 4. Aave. Let's look into Aave coin. Aave. So Aave is currently $175. So these are coins that honestly I won't go in for because of price. That's like me personally. I'm not saying you shouldn't also go into it if you think it fits your criteria. If it fits your criteria, there is no challenge. There's no problem. That is your prerogative. That is like in your full jurisdiction to take a decision or make a decision. Me, coins like this is too pricey. You understand me? It's too pricey. So 548,000 people are watching this. The market capital is 2.67 billion. It makes sense though. Volume is 299, almost $300 million is running through this coin, and it makes sense. Guys, whenever you want to invest in a coin, pay attention to the volume. It is very important, especially coins that you want to hold for a very long term. Pay attention. Even coins that you are holding for short term, pay attention to the volume. It's good. Now, total supply is 16 million. It's okay. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, and all-time low, no data. All-time high, $666. You get it. So as the current price as compared to the all-time high, I think this is quite affordable, but it still doesn't fit my criteria. That's the truth. That's the truth. Now, wow, this coin has a lot to do, because before a pump comes up out of this coin, we need to see some few candles splitting here for a turnaround before this thing goes up, right? And we should be looking at a possible price point of $1,000 when everything, if everything being equal, that's it. So let's quickly jump into the next coin, Celsius Network. Which one is this? Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin is the last one here. So let's look into Curve DAO, CRV. Those of you who are driving CRV, you should be buying this coin. Oh, I'm just kidding. So let's look into CRV. Curve DAO. Wow. Guys, when you are entering into a coin too, you have to pay attention to their branding. There are some coins, they are not serious. That is with regards to coins that you are holding for a long time. So you need to visit their website and see their branding, see what they are doing, see the partners they have brought on board. You get it. You have to. I'm giving you like a master class, a whole master class. But inshallah, that's not everything, These are just some petty things in a master class. Market capital, 604 million. Price is 0.42, 276,000 people are watching it. Volume $114 million is running through this coin. Max supply is 3.03 billion. And website is here, white paper is down there. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain. All-time low, 0.18 cents. All-time high, $60. So I think this coin has crashed like really crazy as compared to what it has done in the future. It has really crashed really crazy, and so it has fallen flat to its previous, all-time low. Yep. So what do I think of this coin? I think every coin can still have their second, third, fourth chance to come up again. So with that one, all you need to pay attention to is the volume. Like Terra Classic Lang, that coin has crashed to nothing, but the volume on the coin is still making sense to me. So that's why I would still be buying, some of Terra Classic Lang. You understand? So the volume here is 140 million. Within the past 24 hours, some coins are not even having some coins that are having more hype than this coin are not even having this kind of volume. So that's one thing that should keep you glued to this particular project. I mean, that is if you want to. Let me do the last one, Celsius Network Cell. Let me do this one as the last one, and then we'll close this one. I don't know whether I've gotten to 10 coins, but I believe I've done something. So Celsius, right here, $109,000 people are watching Celsius. The price is 0.03. These are coins that I like. The price is low. It fits my criteria of, coins that I want to get. That's it for now. Market cap is 1.29 million dollars, and that is alarming because the volume. Let me see this. The total market value of the cryptocurrency. So 1.2 million. And then watch something here. Let's see the supply. 230,000. Okay, it makes sense. I thought the supply was I thought the volume was $230 million. Rather, it's 230,000. So it makes sense with regards to the market capital. So I think the volume is doing 20% of almost 20% of the market capital is okay. Total supply 37.72 million. Calculations is going on right here. You will see the website here. This is built on the Ethereum blockchain. All-time low is 0.02. All-time high is $8. To me, I think we should see some pump in the volume, and then we see this one. This is what we call a pyramid scheme when it comes to trading. This is what we call a pyramid. You see how the chart is looking? It went up and fell flat. That's what we call pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme. Those of you who are experts with technical analysis, you know this. If you don't know this, you are hearing it here first. My name is Jordan Nixon. So this is the top 20 coins that Prophet Benard have listed, and I'm just giving you a clue about their technicals, their statistics, and projects. You do it on your own amount. 2025 market crash has come to an end, and you've heard it here first. Trump tariffs have caused an uncertainty on the market. This is the right time for investors to jump in. Now, XPX, that is S&P 500, dropped 21%. NAS 100 dropped 27%. UK 100 dropped 16%. US 30, best 30 performing companies, right, in the United States dropped 20%. BTC, I predicted, is going to hit 75K. It even dropped to 74,000 and some few pennies there, right? Now, this is the time. The elites have taken profit. The market has gone down during uncertainty with Trump tariffs. This is the time that we have set into an accumulation phase. You want to invest into the Forex market, the synthetic, space. You want to invest into the crypto market. You want to do Forex. You want to do stocks. You don't know how to do it. Join the financial market masterclass with Trader Nixon, and I'll show you how to do it like a pro.